Dual robotic arms work in perfect sync, doubling welding speed and precision. No delays, no errors. Tailored for container manufacturing, robots adapt to varied sizes. FT40 high cubed materials, carbon steel, stainless steel. The fully automated production line welds containers, achieving maximum output with minimal human labor. The robotic automated welding production line reduces welding difficulty, saves significant labor costs, and greatly enhances production efficiency. On-to-on-tech system integration welding solution serves provider faster and smarter than traditional methods.